Welcome to Manly Insights, Mastering Relationships with Women. In this video, we will give you 10 tips for a successful first date. Practice good hygiene and dress appropriately. It is essential to show that you take care of yourself and care about your appearance. This will make her proud to be with you. Offer to pick her up. Some women appreciate being picked up if they feel comfortable with it. If you pick her up, remember to open the car door for her, showing chivalry is alive. Show genuine interest in her. Instead of talking excessively about yourself, focus on creating a meaningful connection with her. Women value good communication, playfulness, and someone who genuinely listens. Compliment her on her efforts rather than her appearance. While beautiful women often receive compliments on their looks, stand out by complimenting her personality, efforts, and achievements. Take charge and lead during the date. Demonstrate your leadership skills by deciding on the meeting place and activity. Lead the conversation and know when to end the date. Showing your ability to make decisions is attractive. Show desire but respect her boundaries. If the conversation is going well, try to establish a physical connection by holding or touching her hand for a few minutes. Stop if you sense she is uncomfortable. If she allows your touch, aim for her mouth when kissing goodbye. If she is turning her head to the side, kiss her cheek and try again on the second date. Never force intimacy. Never put her on a pedestal. Be confident, don't always agree with her, and end the date on a positive note. By ending the date, you signal your time is valuable. Women develop feelings for you when they think about you or miss you. Keep your past relationships out of the conversation. If she asks about previous relationships, be brief and just tell her that you are not compatible. Never discuss other women you've dated and keep the focus on each other. Always be playful and tease her instead of being Mr. Nice Guy. Tease her, but be careful not to be hurtful or condescending. An enjoyable interaction will establish a positive interaction. Never tell her on the first date that you like her. All you like is her appearance. Instead, express your interest in seeing her again and make concrete plans for a second date. If you haven't exchanged numbers yet, ask before parting ways, but respect her decision and move on if she says no. If you found this video informative, we encourage you to show your support by clicking the like button, leave a comment, and considering subscribing to Manly Insights. Our channel provides valuable insights on navigating relationships with women and building stronger, more fulfilling connections.